Welcome to Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's Western Region, Standard 7, Subject General Science, Lesson name is Measurement of Physical Quantities and video number 12. In previous video, we discussed the physical quantities, mass and weight, scalar quantities and vector quantities, and standardization measurement and MKS and CGS system. In this video, we studied the fundamental quantities, standard of the fundamental quantities, importance of the accurate measurement, major causes of errors in measurement, and international system of unit. First one, fundamental quantities. Unit of the quantities length and time need to be standardized. Such quantities are called as fundamental quantities and their unit are called as standard unit. Of course, standard fundamental unit must be available to all, it must be not be variable. Then next point is standard of the fundamental quantities. As standard of the mass of solid cylinder made by platinum iridium alloy is kept in International Bureau of the Weight and Measure at Paris. As per international agreement, this mass is called 1 kilogram. Official accurate copies of this prototype are kept in the standardizing laboratories all over the world. Two fine lines are engraved on the platinum iridium bar kept in International Bureau of the Weight and Measures of Paris. The distance between these two lines is accepted as standard meter. Accurate copies of this prototype are made and distributed to standardizing laboratories all over the world. The time required for revolution of the earth is measured by the means of accurate device, this time taken by 24 hours. To standardize 1 second, 1 hour is considered to have 60 minutes and 1 minute is a 60 second. Then importance of the accurate measurement. How accurate measurement must be depend upon its purpose. According to an important device has been used for measurement. Measurement of the substances are precious of great importance variety. Use in very small quantities is done meticulously and accurately. Due to advancement in technology, devices that measure very small magnitude of the quantities like distance, mass, time, temperature are available now. For example, distance and time in connection with very important sport competition, mass of gold and body temperature, etc. Then international system of unit. An international system of unit based on 7 fundamental unit called 7 system of international SI is accurately used all over the world. It is also called metric system. When man felt to need to measure things, he started using part of its own body for purpose. In Egypt and ancient time, the distance from man's elbow to the tip his middle finger was called cubit. This measure would be differ from person to person, therefore cubit is a king was considered as a standard. In olden time, weighted gold in a unit called gunj, an hourglass is made measuring time. You have seen. The name of the symbol of the unit and fundamental quantities length, time and mass in this system are given. Length, name of the unit meter and symbol is small m. Mass in kilogram and unit is kg. Time is second and unit is yes. So make a list of possible errors that can be this: not using appropriate devices, not using device properly are the major causes of the error in measurement. So really get many liter of the petrol as the petrol pump indicators. It is necessary to check against standard measure from time to time. This called standardization. Similarly, it is necessary to standardize the weight and measures used in market. Does the balance carry the stamp of the standardization by the Department of the Weight and the Measures? Then if the balance is stable, if the weight made from metal, then it has understand the pan balance been tempered with. Then various fundamental quantities length, meter, mass, kilogram, time, second are the fundamental quantities and their unit. To prevent consumer from being cheated, the weight and measure subdivision function as a part of Food, Urban Supply and Consumer Protection Division of the government. Officers of this subdivision visit different places from time to time and ascertain whether weight and balance being used are proper or not. It is binding by the law of standard weight and measure. It is also function of the weight and measure subdivision to grant license for the production, sales and repairs of the weight and measures. So in this lesson we discuss fundamental quantities, standard of the fundamental quantities, international system of unit, importance of the accurate measurement and major causes of the errors in the measurement, and how to prevent consumer from the cheating. Then 1 TMC means 1000 million cubic feet and 1 cubic feet means 28.317 liters. 1 TMC is equal to about 28.317 thousand million liters. So please like, subscribe. Thank you.